Okay, here is your job for the next 5 minutes. It says, in this activity, you will write a paragraph describing a school memory. It could be exciting, funny, scary, or surprising, but it must be true. Start by brainstorming some school memories on the following lines. Try to write at least 5 different ideas. Then circle the one you want to write about. You have 5 minutes to work on this, and then you're going to stop right here. So I'm going to brainstorm some school memories on this following lines from when I was in school. So one time there was an accident on the playground, on the monkey bars, where I accidentally knocked a girl off and she fell off and broke her arm. It was really, really sad. I remember another time when I did a really cool science project. There was another time when my school closed and we had a parade and we buried a time capsule because there were not enough kids going to the school, so they had to close it. I also remember a time in kindergarten where I met my best friend. And I also remember a time when I was having trouble with reading in 5th grade. I might have another one. This is when I have to stop and think sometimes. Oh, here's another time. I remember an art project that we did. Okay, so now I have to think about one that I know that I can probably write a lot about that would actually be like a little story, because it's a paragraph that I have to write. So I'm going to probably write about this one, because I could write a lot about it. Okay, when you have finished that part, you need to stop and take a break and then look for the next direction.